It's gonna make a mud hole there. You better get moving.
Oh, he is making a mud hole.
Backing up to the skid, Jake Hayes, Canton, Iowa, 79 Ford.
If you own a green Harley-Davidson motorcycle, 2718 JY, Clinton County plates, you better get her moved. You're screwing up the traffic in the pit area. A Harley-Davidson, green in color.
Come on, Jake!
Well, if I smoked the clutch a little bit.
I don't think so. I think it's just blow by.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it did that last time.
Oh, it did?
You'd smell it with the clutch. We'd all smell it.
I just think so.
Blow by. That motor's pretty tired.
Oh, that's real tired. It's pretty happy.
It's got no oil pressure.
Hey, dude, you got a 460 in it?